Today I will show you how to install the press fitting. First of all, you need to cut the pipe with a pie cutter. I already cut the pipe here, so we just skip this step at this time. The second, using the plastic reamer, rounding and beveling the pipe. When the pipe is cut, the section is oval, so we need to make it round. Then it can be able to put into the fitting. At the reamer, it has 3 sizes in it. The 16mm, the 20mm, and the 24mm. Today I chose the 16mm gas pipe, so we use the 16mm part, rounding and beveling the pipe. Next, insert the pipe into the press fitting. You can see 3 holes in the fitting. At the end of the pipe, insert the hole. It means the pipe in the right position. Then, install the press jaw. In here, we have 20mm and 16mm press jaw. Find the right size. Install in the press tool. So we use the 16mm press jaw. Open the handle. Move away the hook. Take up the press jaw. Lift out the fixing pin. Push into the press jaw and put the hook back. It's stable, immovable. Open the handle, put the pipe into the tool. Make one side of that is close to the plastic end. Push the handle until the 2 handles merge. You need a little strength to do that. You can use the wall, table, or floor. It's done. In the end, remove the press jaw, close the handle. The connection is very stable. Feel free to use it. Hope this video can help you. In this video, the tool we use, press tool, reamer, pipe cutter, and the gas pipe. You can find it on our website, tubomod.com. If you have any questions, contact me at mail support@tubomod.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.